believe what's become of you. I can't believe what you turned into. I can't believe that you're lying to me.